Hey guys, I just wanted to talk for a few minutes because if there's ever been a time where we may need extra income, the time is now. We don't know what's on the horizon, and some are single parents, some are older, some are retired, and things aren't looking particularly well with stocks dropping, so on and so forth. But there's a way that has been proven to help in situations just like that. There's a proven blueprint that I want to share with you, a way to create passive income, daily pay to help in these times and times in the future. I don't know what your situation is, but you know what? I'm on a mission to help as many folks as possible. So I will share the blueprint with you. I just need you to acknowledge by saying, send it in the comments section, and I'll get it to you as soon as possible.